You are going to love the 2016 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.